you need to make a cupcake, right?
Yeah.
So the first thing is you're probably going to want to look at the loft tool, and you're going to want to create a sketch. So you're going to come over here, and you're going to make this little circle, whatever size it's supposed to be that you measured. I'm going to give it an arbitrary measurement of 25 on the bottom, and I'm going to finish the sketch. Now you'll remember the loft tool from before. All we did was we went up, and I noticed in your notes you already had that, so you're like 90% of the way there. Now you're going to draw another circle over here. Sorry about that, misclick. Okay, you're going to draw another circle that's right on here, and you're going to center it with this one. And you're going to say, okay, this one maybe is 50, because it's got to be wider than that one. And you're going to loft from here to there. Okay, so the way we do that is we're going to create. We go to loft, we click the bottom, we click the top. We end up with that little cone. Now in here, there's a shell command, and that allows me to say, hey, I want you to be shelled to a certain amount. Cool. Then I want to draw those little cuts, right? The little cutouts that you have. There's lots of ways to do that. What I would recommend is I would create a sketch, and I would just make, a cutout, the negative cutout of one of those that's even. So something like this. And you're going to want to measure this and make it more precise because, it's your final design. Now, if you remember, you can make anything into a pattern. So if it's a feature, a body, you can always pattern it. So you're going to want to find the center point, but the pattern could start with just this little cutout. So we'll go into the circular pattern tool, and we're going to go into feature, and the object we're going to select is right here, and the axes we're going to select is this blue one that I can't click because it's in the middle, this blue one. And what that's going to do is create like a ring of them. So you just type in however many you want. So I'm going to type in a whole bunch because I want it to look like, that little ring cupcake thing. I'm going to say 20 is enough because I don't want to crash my computer right now. But you get the idea. You get something like that. If you go closer, you get more of the triangle shape that you're going for. And the next thing you're going to want to do, it's a little odd, but you're going to want to make another loft. And that loft is going to go up to, actually, you already have the one from before. It'd be better to use that. We're going to use this one. And we're going to create a helix. So a coil. We select this, and we say, hey, it's frosting, right?
Yeah.
Now, do you see what happened? How it instantly made this, right? So we can do this, and we can actually say it's circular, sure. And for the degree, we can go -5, and it'll go in. You see what's happening?
Yeah.
So I'll say it's -15, and now it kind of looks like a cupcake, but instead of cut, I'm going to say that's a new body, and what do you know? I'm starting to get frosting. Okay, cool.